Terra Luna Classic, 2.5 billion. Yes, I know the number on the thumbnail was different because it's almost impossible for me to get this number to show on the screen. What am I talking about? 2.5 billion. What am I talking about? Drop in the comments below. I want to hear from you. This is your pop quiz of the day for Terra Luna Classic. I'm about to show you. Before I do that, please, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below. I'm covering Terra Classic now every single day on my channel. You guys voted. You told me you wanted to. This is, to me, the birth of a community token. I mean, this is amazing. Obviously, I'm not minimizing what happened with Terra Luna in May, the implosion and all that kind of stuff. But what we're seeing here, guys, is the resurgence and the birth of a community token. This has been amazing to watch. Terra Classic's up 750% since June. 750%. That's the number. Okay, so what is it the number that you thinking I'm talking about when I'm talking about 2.5 billion? All right, let me refresh. Maybe it might show it to me. It is this number right here. Okay, I've been watching this all day. As of the recording this video, our market cap for Terra Luna Classic has actually climbed to about 2,511,000,000 or so. And that's the number. Okay, but look, it's up almost 40%. Okay, I'm going to give you some perspective. About 700 million of this has been added. Of that 700 million of this number has been added in the last 24 hours. Yeah, crazy. This number, the volume, look, 2.8 billion. This is the trading volume. This has gone as high today, as I've been watching it for most of the day, it's gone as high as like 420%. Also, I want to point out something interesting, right? We know that we've got burns coming in the very near future, probably within 6-7 days, give or take, going into effect. These would be sales tax burns on buys and sells transactions of 1.2%, which 1.2% of every single buy sell would then be, carved off and sent to the dead wallet to burn it to reduce the overall supply. Okay, here's what I want to point out. Think of how many burns we would have on a given day with that kind of volume. 2.8 billion. That is a massive. Think about how many transactions that is. I don't even know. That's a ton. Let's put it that way. And that's going to help to reduce the overall supply over time. Okay. Yeah, a lot of really interesting things going on around Terra Classic, continuing its run, kind of moving into day 2 of this run. And look, I want to show you this. Look, we've hit 447 as far as a 24-hour high. Backed off of that a little bit. Not really surprising here. So I want to show you kind of like a 7-day chart. Okay, so we had, this was kind of the earlier kind of everything was, well, let's go 1 month here. This helps. So look, this was kind of how it was before, kind of rolling along. Around the 26th, we got the kind of the first little Binance. Hey, Binance is going to support LUNC and all that kind of stuff. It started running. Community voted on and approved, the staking and all that kind of stuff went into effect, the burns, etc. And then we spiked, sold off a little bit, consolidated, which I love to see this kind of consolidation period. And now we've got this run here. I think this run here, and look, this run here is actually looks almost bigger than the previous run, right? This run here is looking really interesting, and I think this is, again, the kind of the precursor, the run up to the burn scenario that's coming in the very near future. What's going to be interesting to see, now we will have some type of a little pullback here. It will happen. Look, we had it here, right? We will have some type of pullback, but what I'm watching is that when we pull back, we're going to stay up at this higher level. See how we ran up, pulled back, then we had a higher high, right? Or higher low, higher high and higher lows. You get my point, right? This is higher than this, right? So want to see this, and then I would like to see us consolidate somewhere in here, right in the 4 range. That would be awesome. Okay, so I'm just conveying that, or maybe high 3s, but 4 would be even better, right? So that's what I'm looking at. So there you go, 2.5. Of course, it's not going to show it because I'm recording a video, right? So it's running at 2.469 billion, give or take, right here, right now. As always, thanks for your support. Definitely hit that subscribe button as you head your way out, and hit that like button. Thank you so much for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. I truly appreciate you. Go make some money. I'll see you. Bye.